Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make these beautiful note cards in a box using your dies from Spellbinders. In today's card making tutorial, I'll be featuring the Spellbinders August 2018 Small Die Club of the Month. And as always, you'll find links to the Spellbinders products that I used in this video in the description area below and also in my blog. So what I used to make the box was the Spellbinders Hello Havana Contour Steel Rule Die by Stacy Karen Design. But what we're going to focus on today are the dies from the Spellbinders Small Die Club of the Month. So the dies that you'll be receiving in this month's kit are the following. You're going to get a small frame die and a larger frame die. You're also going to get a large filigree die along with a smaller filigree die, and you're going to get 3 birds. You're going to get the mama bird and the 2 baby birds, and you're also going to get a small flower die. For each of the Spellbinders Hello Havana gift boxes, we're able to easily fit 4 note cards. We're going to trim 4 pieces of cardstock at 5.5 by 4 3/4, and then we're going to score at 2 3/4 and fold them in half. Next, we're going to trim 4 pieces of designer paper to 2 5/8 by 4 5/8, and with some double-sided tape, we are going to adhere them to the front of our card bases. I've done all the die cutting off camera so that it doesn't take up too much of our time, and now that we have all of our card bases done, it is time to embellish our cards. And now that our flourishes and frames are in place, we're going to add some dimension to our cards using the rest of our die cuts. And that's pretty much it, friends. I hope that you found this Spellbinders card making tutorial helpful. And if you just happen to land on this video and you're not a subscriber as of yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button at Spellbinders, at Decorate Your Life. At Decorate Your Life, I focus on project shares and tutorials and card making and mini albums. Mini albums are my first love. Card making is my second love. So thank y'all so very much for watching, and I will see y'all again real soon. And don't forget to leave me a nice comment, thumbs up are appreciated, and share my videos. I will see you in the next video. Bye now.